Hello there, now you are back to the channel Shib News. Shiba, the number of births rises by 1500%. Willing to explain. Shiba Inu started out as a meme coin for the community, but it quickly developed into a multi-million-dollar cryptocurrency project. It was developed and made available on the Ethereum network in August 2020 as a token that would test out different forms of local government. The cost of SHIB surged by around 300% in March 2021. Members of the Shiba Inu community are committed to the endeavor. Therefore, it is acceptable to say that the community government experiment was a success. For its cryptocurrency enthusiasts and users, the SHIB token has attained unprecedented heights and produced considerable profits. We will talk about the latest SHIB news in this video. The Shiba Inu news metabolic rate increases by 5,500%. Get ready to elucidate. To view our most updated information on Shiba Inu pricing forecast and expert analysis, don't forget to share and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now. Without further ado, Shiba Inu's principal developer, Toshiko Kusama, has declared that burns will be applied to the meme cryptocurrency coin. In addition, the share developer mentioned that the burns are related to the SHIB strategy card game Eternity. Kusama also added through Twitter, "The upcoming details will show why SHIB Eternity is strong, challenging, and advantageous for stockholders once the blockchain version is made public." According to Kusama, the game might make it easier to burn SHIBs. On September 21, there were more than 8 million SHIB tokens lost. Burning cryptocurrency aims to increase a token's value as its available supply falls. The tokens are then sent to a wallet address that can only be used for that transaction. SHIB was traded at 109 cents on September 22, 2022, up 3.46% from the day before, according to CoinMarketCap, despite the fact that the coin has been trending downward for the previous month. In addition to being accessible in Australia's Google Play Store and Apple App Store, the game SHIB Eternity has undergone successful testing in Vietnam. Former American Republican congressional candidate David Goldstein said in a tweet that SHIB started the whole burn mania. SHIB will go into the metaverse with SHIB. A metaverse, it is meant to serve as a home base for the SHIB Army crypto community. The third-floor virtual reality company TBTC and the metaverse work together to develop this area of the metaverse SHIB. By paying attention to its community, the metaverse has informed BTF of the SHIB community's desires. One of the coins attempting a comeback is Shiba Inu, whose price fell below 10 cents over the weekend. Solid fundamentals are driving the digital asset, one of the best meme cryptocurrencies, to unprecedented heights. The Shiba ecosystem saw a significant fundamental uplift over the weekend, notwithstanding the possibility that macroeconomic factors will restrict its growth. Shiba Eternity, a trading card game that is a vital part of the overall ecosystem, has altered this, though. A few days after its release on the Apple App Store, Shiba Eternity was made available to Android users in Australia last weekend. The trading card game, which was initially released in Vietnam, was a huge hit, according to Shiba Inu creator Satoshi Kusama. The last nation to test the game before it is made available worldwide is Australia. Despite the game's launch, the value of Shiba Inu dropped significantly in comparison to other coins. The asset's price has dropped by 8.78% after the Ethereum surge and the Federal Reserve's announcement of higher than expected inflation. SHIB's price dropped 14% over the previous week. SHIB has been among the coins that has been most affected by the Fed's inflation data because of its high market value. Over the weekend, the cryptocurrency market as a whole had a significant collapse, and its recovery has been slow. The anticipated Federal Reserve interest rate raise recommendations from this week are mostly to blame for this. With inflation much higher than the previous week, the Federal Open Market Committee is anticipated to present interest rate forecasts for the upcoming quarter on Wednesday. The possibility of a 75 basis point rise in interest rates is very high. According to Mike McGlone, senior commodity analyst at Bloomberg Intelligence, the Federal Reserve is not anticipating such rate increases. As a result, cryptocurrency investors seem to be getting ready for a protracted down market. The forecast for SHIB prices at the moment is not very encouraging. The asset is trading below each of its moving averages, ranging from the 200-day simple moving average of 1,068 cents to the 10-day exponential moving average of 0.1068. An additional indicator of a sell signal is a negative MCD, moving average convergence divergence. Shiba Inu's lead developer, Toshi Kusama, has informed the community of major impending changes to the ecosystem. The well-known programmer tweeted about the updates on his personal Twitter account. Shiba Eternity has reportedly undergone satisfactory testing in Vietnam as Kusama Shiba Inu completes final preparations for the debut of its most eagerly awaited game. But Kusama said that the Shiba Inu game would go through one last test in Australia. The nation's play shop now offers Shiba Eternity. Shiba Forever is described by him as formidable, challenging, and fantastic for both SHIB and FF Boski holders. The community was also made aware of the most recent enhancements to SHIB burning by the developer. Shiba Eternity, especially when the blockchain-based version of the game published the same Ethereum level, is seen by Kusama as a potential facilitator of SHIB burning. Shiba Inu supporters are making every effort to raise knowledge of two crypto protocol, despite the fact that it may not appear like a well-known cryptocurrency. With the upcoming publication of the exhibition, which emphasizes the SHIB's path and next initiatives that will depend on Shibuya, the Shiba Inu ecosystem is growing. This project is planned to address the Shiba Inu native blockchain speed and high fee issues when it launches in the third quarter of 2022. Shibata hasn't made any explicit comments or given any clear indications that he'll increase the burn rate of the SHIB. But that hasn't stopped SHIB supporters from speculating that some Ethereum will probably have a feature that lets crypto holders burn tokens and remove them from circulation. Sending a token to a wallet that can hold them but can't release them is the process of burning it. The Cosmos. The group has presented concept artworks that highlight the benefits of visual communication. According to the SHIB development team, this aspect of art is generally used in movies and video games to transmit predetermined vision and evoke emotional responses from spectators. The strongest reference points for coordinating the creative perspective and aspect of the project, or in this case, the newly introduced hub, are provided by concept art. The first concept picture for the metaverse was released by Rocket Pond earlier this month. The team revealed today that yet another vibrant concept painting had been posted online to be shipped to the metaverse for user comment. A tweet appeared. Woof! This week, a new work of concept art with stunning coloring was made available. The focus is on Rocket Pond, according to SHIB. The metaverse is this. We look forward to hearing your thoughts. AMI SHIB stocking in Shibuya will have an amazing experience because to this hub. The statement described Rocket Pond as having the ambience of a resort tucked away in the mountains, similar to an AIMCO or KOA campground. However, the modern comfort and touristy elements coexist with the wilderness that surrounds you. Clear lakes with wildlife and resort developments rising from the terrain. Today is the end of this. Remember the like bot, too. To access our most recent content, share the video and join the channel.